Thank you so much. My name is Ethiopian Orthodox Rosary Saint Gabriel Day. Always have celebrate my restaurant with my customers. Thank you so much for coming. Unas Ethiopian Cuisine. Thank you. Take some fresh bread, Sir Gabriel. Everybody had so Sir Gabriel. Yeah. You also like customers? Ethiopian Orthodox Church, Gabriel, Saint Gabriel, Sila Gabriel, fresh homemade bread. Sila Gabriel, Sila Gabriel, say Sila Gabriel. Yeah, take that. Sila Gabriel.
There's good.
Sila Gabriel, say that. Sila Gabriel.
Always. He
Sila
always
Gabriel. Sila
Just
Gabriel.
Just
Yeah,
cosmic
Saint
timing.
Gabriel, okay? That's, yes, Saint Gabriel Day. Sila Gabriel? Sila Gabriel? Hi, Sila Gabriel? I like your necklace. What is this?
Yes.
I like your bread.
Always.
Yes, Sila Gabriel. Guys, thank you so much. I just celebrate today monthly. Gabriel, Ethiopian Orthodox Church.
Right as
Thank you, my dear customer.